Alrighty guys, we are here today at Louisiana Mudfest, and man, this event is bigger than I've seen it in probably, what, 4 years?
Man, I'll tell you what.
Bumping for a Friday.
It's bad.
Dude, I'm excited. So what I've done, I said, man, I got to catch up with Jason. Jason's been talking to me for off and on, I guess, the last 3-4 months since I've seen him last, and just every time it's, dude, can't believe what I've done. You got to see what I've done. We've done this to the truck. And sure enough, man, this thing is, I'm pumped, dude. This thing is great. Y'all have been busy, so as usual, we see this pattern. A lot of these guys are out of town for weeks and months at a time. So you're just gone. You're out of town.
I'm always working.
Yeah, and that's okay, man. You got to pay the bills. You got to be able to have money to play with toys. So I get it. But he's got a good network of people, and they were able to come together and bring this truck together for Trucks Gone Wild this weekend. And it's super cool, man. I'm really excited. I'm impressed with everything that's been done. So I guess let's take it from the top for the folks that don't know a whole lot about the truck. We've gone through it a time or two before, but tell us about this GMC, right? It's a 90 GMC?
1990 GMC.
Okay, and this, I guess, is kind of an evolution of Wrecking Ball. You remember Jason driving the baddest Suburban on earth, the Wrecking Ball, and so this is kind of Wrecking Ball 2.0 in a short bed GMC. So tell us a little bit about what's going on behind the scenes with the powertrain, what you got going there.
All right, well, first thing, my boy Benji Peavy, he's the one started with this truck, right. So we got to give him some love.
Sure.
So got the truck from him.
Yep.
Take my Wrecking Ball motor, put in here, and come out of Suburban.
Right, and that's was it 5?
Four, it was a 496. It's a 498 now.
498 now. Okay, got you.
498 now. It's
hot little engine.
It's got dyno time about 7 passes on the motor right now.
Okay, so it's been freshened up. You gained some horsepower on the big end with a little higher compression.
Yep.
I guess. Yep. So cool. What are you running for trans and then the drivetrain?
Okay, we got some Ultra Bell. Freak Show's got us got a Powerglide.
Okay,
and,
cool.
It's got trans brake and all that good stuff, and it's pretty good. FTI glide, FTI converter.
Gotcha.
She set right.
Oh yeah, dude.
We come off trans brake, and she rolls.
It's hot. Yeah, I love it. Shifts out, so you got a good situation there. Tell us about the hater kit. You got the hater kit?
Okay, yeah, the hater kit. Randy Palmer got the truck, took the David Cathy MTM, put the hater kit on it, and just I love it.
Yeah.
The gear, I can change the gear and just
yeah, dude.
You can get it dialed in just right.
Right. Yeah. So if you guys don't know about the hater kit, David Cathy and them, they've got a good situation going there. So it's a pretty sweet little driveline setup. So anyway, I'll let y'all do your own research on that. But tell us more about what's going on inside. You got Blake at Psychotic. He kind of dipped into the situation here. So what's Blake doing here?
Well, last time I seen y'all at Carter's Off Road over at Daniel Robertson, Blake hit me and said, "Hey man, truck's fast. It needs a cage." It's like, all right, well.
Yeah, this isn't safe. You need a cage. So that's basically what Blake said.
He's never done shit. So Blake drives like 4 hours, comes fix his trucks up, bring it back to his shop, and then
it's impressive.
He went above and beyond.
Yeah.
I mean, the talent that dude's got is unreal.
Yeah, this cage is just seamless in here. Yeah. Super good detail. So very impressive. So Blake turnkeyded it. Then I guess between Josh and Mookie and Randy, these guys, they finished it out for you, I guess, more or less.
I mean, and like I said, it's been at Josh Walmus, going through, just fixing stuff and adding sway bars and bump stops and getting the suspension just dialed in. Mookie's on the side, just texting me daily, like, we're going to do this,
right.
Yep. So I get home to this, and my guys, they must really like me.
Yeah, they knocked it out of the park. It's vented well. Yeah, everything is buttoned up perfectly. And y'all even went up a size on tire. What'd you say, 18-430s?
Yeah, the 18-430s. We was on 18-426, and I'm liking these 18-430s.
Yeah, I mean, you're pushing that kind of power. You need just a little bit more meat to get you on through. So, dude, super, super cool, man. I'm pumped for you. Seen it in the pits a time or two so far today, and it just rips, skims through there. So
I'm fixing to make one more gear change and try to get a little more wheel speed.
I hear you. I think you got the power there to do it, so I'm excited.
It does pretty good.
Yep, indeed. Well, Jason, man, I appreciate your time today, and I look forward to seeing more from you in the pits out here.
Triple X, buddy.
Thanks, buddy. Okay, so if any of you guys are on Facebook, you know there's been a little bit of controversy on some tugs. Talked about going for this, going for that, and it turned out we're going for actual trucks, going for pinks. So I had to come get the real story from these guys here. So y'all been in some trouble. Somebody was doing some drinking, and y'all started shit talking, and then somebody had a little secret video, and videoed y'all at MTM. There was a little controversy there. It was friendly controversy, but it turns out somebody is on the tug pad tonight, and we're gonna see who's the winner. What? Give me a little backstory. Somebody's going for pinks, or what is this?
Yeah, Chris, what's gonna happen? I mean, you know, Jason, he's got a lot of faith. He's got a lot of faith in old Wrecking Ball.
Yeah, I do too.
You know, I just got a little old mediocre truck right there, but he seems to think he's gonna drag me all over the place, and that's fine.
Yeah.
If he thinks that. But
it's okay.
You know, I asked him how much faith he had. He said he had enough to put his truck on the line. So, you know, hey, that's what I said. Let's run it for pinks, man.
Okay, fair
Worst
enough.
case scenario, one of us loses the truck.
Okay.
I mean, we're all friends in this. We'll be friends after this is over with.
We'll see how it goes down. But I am excited that maybe as an alternative, y'all can swap beverages, or maybe a hat. He might leave with the hat.
Hey, he's better off taking my truck than my hat.
I hear
The
you.
hat's coming with me.
I doubt it.
I mean, I understand you got the little man syndrome thing going on. I'm sorry, but like, your shit's going down tonight. That hat is coming home with me.
We'll see.
In your truck.
You can have this one.
We'll see. I already got one of them. I don't need another one. I got one of them already.
The hat's coming with me.
We'll see.
All right, guys. Well, I'm excited either way it goes. I know y'all gonna keep it friendly, but it is gonna be heated on the tug pad.
That's right.
Tires are gonna heat up, and it's gonna be a good smoke show. So we'll get it done. See how it goes down.
That's it.
Cool, guys. I'm excited. We'll see you there.
I got 100 on blue right here. 100 on blue.
Place your bets. Place your bets.